So, good morning, everyone. We'll start today's session. So, I think till yesterday, you people clear about everything, right? Do you have any doubts so far? Yes. Did anyone try to do anything differently? Yes. Have you people tried? Yes. Okay. I hope no one tried anything, right? Okay. So, after this class, I'll post some task regarding your module 3. Okay. So try to do that. And of course, as we said earlier, I think probably tomorrow you need to present your task already that have been completed for module 1 and 2. Correct, Ramsar?
Yes, Mohan sir.
Okay. And by Saturday, you will have your test, it seems, right? So we will post the task for module 3 by positively today. Okay. Today within noon, I will post it. So you can start doing it. Of course, it is not going to take much time. So you people can try it out. Okay. And you can post your completed task by tomorrow. Okay. So maybe after your test, Saturday, if you have time, you can present your module 3 task too. Okay. I hope this is clear. Tomorrow you need to present the module 1 and module 2 task. Okay. If somebody completed module 3 task, those people can also present your task, completed task. Okay. So be ready with that. Prepare your test well as well. Okay. Right. So we'll proceed with today's session as we spoke yesterday. Before that, I start presenting the screen. Give me a minute. Okay. Hope my screen is visible in both the classes.
Yes, Mohan sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have tested LED blink, object count, and then voice-based device on-off, right? So today we are going to discuss about hardware, how we can control our hardware using our Bluetooth. Okay, so this is somehow important one. Also, the simple app can be used to even complete a product. Okay, you can think of many a times we people are thinking about building a home automation system. Correct. So what do you mean by home automation system? If we can control the devices or appliances which are available in our home, that can be home automation system. That's all right. So for the controlling portion, already in the past 2 weeks, you people have learned many things, right? How you can turn on an LED or turn off an LED, how we can control some devices so that these are all the things you have discussed in the previous session itself, right? In the past 2 weeks, you have learned so many things, right? So with the help of those information, if we try to build an app which can use Bluetooth of our mobile phone with the control part as you have built in the last 2 weeks, if we merge these two things, no, we can build a complete home automation system. Clear what I'm saying? Yes. So you people can see simply. You people can use 8051 microcontroller or some other microcontroller, even Arduino microcontroller. Okay, with the help of one relay, using this particular app, you can control your home appliances with the help of this app. Okay, that's all. So simple, right? So now we are going to discuss about that thing only, right? How we can use Bluetooth of our mobile phone to control a device. Okay, so for that, first the primary request is we need to know how we can build the app with the help of a Bluetooth. Okay, so LED on off using Bluetooth, right? So what are the components we are going to use here? First component will be list picker. List picker is an element which can help you to list the available services. Okay, whatever may be the services, it is going to give you those services. So here, which service we are going to use means we are going to get the Bluetooth services. What are all the Bluetooth devices that are already paired with my mobile phone? That will be listed with the help of list picker. Okay, so you have to keep remember this point. Your Bluetooth device must be paired already. Okay, must be paired already. So it is going to list the paired devices. Okay, it is going to list the paired devices. That is what the purpose of this list picker. Okay, we will see the process. I mean the purpose of this list picker practically too. Okay, then I'm using horizontal arrangements for two buttons. Okay, two buttons, button 1 for LED on, button 2 for LED off. Okay, then I must use Bluetooth client. Okay, so in this area we are having two things. We are having Bluetooth server as well as we are having Bluetooth client. If it is Bluetooth client, then we can connect our devices to any other device. That is what a Bluetooth client is. Okay, Bluetooth server in the sense it can do some more jobs compared to client. Of course, server can be connected only by the client. Okay, so if possible, okay, I'll give you two files. Okay, I'll post it in the classroom that built with the help of this Bluetooth server and client concept. Okay, so you people can build a chat application, one-to-one chat. Okay, one-to-one chat. You two need to be connected together with the help of the Bluetooth connectivity, and you can chat together. Okay, the thing is it should be with the connectivity, right? Nearby, you must be present nearby to your friend, say around 10 meters and all. Okay, the maximum coverage of a Bluetooth is around 10 meters. Okay, so you must be present within that connectivity area, so that you two people can chat together. Likewise, we can build it. It's a responsive app. Whatever the content I'm sending to the client can respond to the server too. That is how the thing is being built. Okay, here we are using Bluetooth client. Okay, even with the Bluetooth client, we can get the response. Okay, that at all somewhat higher level of information we can use if at all we need it. Okay, then I'm going to use notifier. Of course, already we have used this notifier component, right? So it is going to just simply pop up whether the Bluetooth is being connected or a device is being on or off. Likewise, it is going to give you information. Okay, so here the new components which you have used are list picker and Bluetooth client. Okay, these two things are new components. Other things already you people familiar with. Okay, so these are all the components we are going to use, right? Okay, then this is how your screen is going to be. Okay, so this is button sorry, list picker. This is list picker. Okay, see here we have used list picker, right? So this is list picker, and this is going to be with one horizontal arrangement, two buttons. Okay, LED on, LED off. That's all about the devices. The invisible component is Bluetooth client and the notifier. These two things are non-visible components. Okay, non-visible components, so it is not available here. Okay, right. So coming to the rule section, these are all the rules. Okay, straightforward rules only. These set of rules only. Okay, we will see one by one. Right. The very first one is list picker. Okay, when list picker, before picking. Okay, the picking in the sense what user selected component. Okay, it is going to give you some list of items. Okay, if a user click an item, that will be comes under picking. Okay, so before picking, before user pick an item, what it is going to do is it is going to list everything. What it must list is we need to set that. Okay, set list picker elements to Bluetooth client 1 addresses and names. Okay, so this is the rule set of list picker. Okay, I am going to list the elements which are given by Bluetooth client. Okay, so my Bluetooth client, what my Bluetooth client is going to do is, it is going to list the available devices. The available devices in the sense already paired devices. Okay, already paired devices. So that devices should be with their addresses and names. Addresses and names. So if you wish to get only address, you can do that. If you wish to get only names, you can do that. Okay. Here we are displaying both. Okay. So Bluetooth client 1 will pick the addresses and the names of already paired Bluetooth connectivity devices. Okay. That information will be given to list picker elements. Okay. So after this rule satisfied, your mobile is going to give you a screen like this, and it is going to list the Bluetooth devices which you have already paired with your mobile phone. Okay, that is what the first rule is going to give you. Coming to the second rule. Okay, so before picking, you need to display everything. That is what the first rule says. Okay, and after that, user is going to select some item, right? User is going to select some element. Say for example, I have 5 devices. I must connect the third device. Okay, imagine you need to connect the third device. Okay, so what the user will do, he or she will press the third device, correct? Okay, we will press the third device. Okay, so if we press it, that becomes after picking. That becomes after picking. That's all. Okay, so when a list picker after picking, what it should do? Okay, so if you select any particular device in the list, from the list, okay, what it should do that is, it needs to select that particular device for connection. Okay, so what I'm going to pick here is set list picker selection. See here, this will be elements. Elements in the sense what? The number of items, you can say. The number of items. Okay, whatever the availability is there, it is going to list everything. Okay, that is what the first rule is. Second rule is, you people are select something. So as per this example, the third device is being selected. Third device is being selected. So the selection must be what? That is what we are going to give as a rule here. Okay, so after selection, it is going to call Bluetooth client 1 to connect. Okay, so connection may be established only by Bluetooth client only. Okay, see, list picker is used to identify what are all the devices already being paired with your mobile phone. That is going to be listed in the first rule, and by the user selection, with the help of second rule, what we are going to do is, we are going to connect our Bluetooth client, that means our mobile phone, to the selected device. Okay, so what must be the address of the Bluetooth device? That must be given by the list picker. So list picker 1 selection. Okay, clear about this rule? Yes, we need to set the list picker selection to connect the Bluetooth client. Okay, so here it is going to be set function only. Okay, you are not going to get any address or names of already selected device here. Okay, so that must be given here. Okay, so call Bluetooth client 1 connect address. In the address field, you need to give your list picker selected item. Okay, so user selected item, that will be available as a selection, list picker 1 selection end component. This rule set, okay, that must be fit with this address area. Okay, so after this, what it is going to give you is Bluetooth connected. Okay, Bluetooth connected. Before that, this list picker is going to be in the name of Bluetooth device. Okay, this is a user preferable name, so we can give whatever the name we like. Okay, so I have used Bluetooth device. Okay, so once the list picker is listed the items, as well as it is being selected by the user and connected by the Bluetooth client, then this area of the Bluetooth device, this content will be changed to Bluetooth connected. Here you can see a message Bluetooth connected. Okay, that is what these two rules is going to give you. Okay, so these two rules are more important while you work with Bluetooth. Okay, so you must use a list picker. So before picking what it should do, that we must give us a rule, and after picking what it must do, that is also we have to provide. Okay, till this point everything clear?
Yes, Mohan sir.
Okay, okay, Ram
The
sir.
typing is.
Right. So we'll move further. Okay, right. So coming to after getting the connectivity, what we have to do? We, with the help of the buttons which we have already placed, like device on or off, like those buttons. When those buttons are clicking, what I have to do? Okay. So that is what this rule is going to give you. Okay. When button one click, button one is for on. Correct. This is button one. This is button one. This is button two. Okay, so button one is LED on. Button one is LED on, right? So button one click, what it must give you is it needs to send a data to my Bluetooth through my Bluetooth client. Okay, so here call Bluetooth client, one, send a text. Okay, what it is going to send is a number one. It is going to be in the form of text only. Okay, so right, so this is my mobile phone side, right? On the other hand, on your microcontroller side, you people will connect your controller with the Bluetooth device, correct? So that Bluetooth device is already being connected to your mobile phone. Now mobile phone Bluetooth device is going to send text one to that Bluetooth device which is being interfaced with the microcontroller. Okay, so on the microcontroller side, what we need to do is we need to get that information. Okay, the Bluetooth connectivity information, whatever the data that is received by the Bluetooth, which is already being connected with the microcontroller, that will come to your program and you have to read it. Okay, you have to read it. I think you must be connect your Bluetooth device serially. Okay, serial communication mode only. With the serial you are going to get the information which is received by your Bluetooth device that is connected to your microcontroller. Okay, so that device is going to give you one, because I am sending one to that particular Bluetooth device. It is going to give you one. Okay, so if one is being received, what you must do is you must turn on an appliance which is connected to that particular microcontroller. Okay, that's all. This is from our microcontroller side. Okay, on the app side, what we are going to do further is after sending the text to one, okay, I am going to set the button one background color to green, so that after just a minute. Okay, so after pressing this one, this button, okay, this button is going to send one text one to the Bluetooth device which is already paired, right? After that, this particular button is going to change its background color to green. Okay, this particular button is going to change its color to green. Okay, green. That is what this particular rule is. Button one background color to green. Okay, also I am using notifier. No, so the notifier is just simply going to give a notice that LED turned on. Whatever may be the device, we are going to name it. It is going to be turned on. Okay, then the text color of this particular notification is also in the form of green. Okay, that is what the things are going to happen when you press button one. Okay, is that clear regarding button one? Okay, now we will move to button 2. Okay, so when button 2 click, what it must do? Okay, again the same thing.
I am typing yes, Mohan sir.
Okay, Ram sir. So here we have used button 1 for turn on the device, button 2 for turn off the device, right? So when button 1 clicks, it is going to send 1 to the Bluetooth device, which is already paired, and it is going to change its color, right? So when button 2 is being clicked, okay, when button 2 is being clicked, it must send some text to the Bluetooth device, right? And then it must be change the color, right? So for that, we are enabling or we are turn on the device if your Bluetooth device sends 1 here. Okay, obviously we can say when the device should be turned off, it should give 0 or it should send 0. Okay, so that is what we are going to send now while you press button 2. Okay, call Bluetooth client 1, send text 0. Okay, also the switch background color is going to change to red, and then again I'm going to use one notification that LED turned off with the red in color. Okay, the same rule sets repeats. Okay, the thing is we are going to send different data as well as different color. We are going to set it in the background. That's all. Here we are just uh, right, we are just make this particular background color is green. It is going to be available as it is, even though if you click button 2 it will not change. Okay, while testing in our mobile phone, I'll include some rules to change the color to. Okay, when button 2 click, automatically button 1 color should be uh, with the same previous color. Okay, it should retain its previous state. Like that we can fix some rules. Okay, that and all we will see while we work with the app. Okay, building app, right? So what we plan to do is, first I will do this particular app and we will simulate it in our mobile phone so that we can find this thing. Okay, we can't test from my mobile based on this particular rule, but we can make we can test the background color and the notification. Okay, we can test that too. Okay, so that we will test right now in my mobile phone. Then other things will be tested by Ram Prasad sir. Okay, the hardware portion will be tested by Ram Prasad sir. So we have built after we building this particular app, it is going to be sent to Ram Prasad sir. So he will make your hardware connections ready and he will test this portion that we will see. Okay, this is how we have planned for this session. Okay, so you people can take this particular rule set. Okay, now we will move to the MIT App Inventor. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so already I have opened the MIT App Inventor. I'm going to create a new project. Okay, we simply say Bluetooth. Okay, right. Right. So what are all the components we are in need of? First, we are in need of list picker, right? So you can find the purpose of the list picker here. A button that when clicked on displays a list of text for the user to choose among. The text can be specified through the designer or block editor by setting the elements from string property, right? So this list picker is going to list whatever the component you are going to provide in that list. Okay, so here we are using this list picker for listing our Bluetooth device. That's all. Okay, so this list picker must be fill parent. Okay, so I can select, I can edit this as Bluetooth device. Correct. Okay, so Bluetooth device. Okay, so I can change even the color. Okay, right. So it is going to give me the list of Bluetooth devices. Okay, and then we must go to horizontal arrangement, so that we are going to uh, pick two buttons. Before that, we must fill this. Oh, I'm sorry. Right, I have clicked a percentage and not giving any inputs, right? So it must be fill parent. Okay, right. Then coming to button, text button 1, text button 2. Okay, button 1 should be fill as parent. Button 2 is also should be fill as parent. Okay, so button 1 is for on, right? We can rename here too. The old name and the new name. New name, it is going to be on. Okay, button 2 rename, it is going to be off. Even for the buttons too, we can change the name. Okay, the text which we need to display, that we must edit here. Text bar for button 1 here, text. Okay, LED on. And then for button 2, okay, I'm sorry, I think instead of underscore I have put this, right. So for text button 2, it is going to be LED off. Okay, right. So simple. These are the list of components we are going to use. As we are going to control only one device, this is enough. If we wish to use, if you wish to control multiple devices, so that how many devices we are going to control, that much number of buttons and horizontal arrangements we must use. Okay, right. Then coming to connectivity, correct? I need to use Bluetooth, right? So under connectivity, you can find the connectivities. It is going to be Bluetooth client, Bluetooth server, serial, and web. Okay, we are interested to use Bluetooth client, so we are picking it and place it here. That's all. Okay, right. It is a non-visible component, so it will not be available here. Okay, so now we will move to block area. Okay, so now we are going to do the programming. Okay, as our first rule says, we are going to get the list picker first. Okay, so when list picker, before picking, this is what we must use. Okay, these are all the rule sets for your list picker component. Okay, so list picker before picking. Before picking, what it should do? Okay, it should list the number of available Bluetooth devices which are already connected, right? So coming to Bluetooth client, we can find call. Just a minute. Okay, so we must list the Bluetooth clients, right? So we should get Bluetooth, set Bluetooth client. Okay, set Bluetooth client. Okay, I'm sorry. What will be the first rule? List picker elements. Okay, so list picker needs to show you the Bluetooth devices, correct? So after getting this, when list picker 1 before picking rule, again we need to go to list picker. Okay, list picker selection. Yes, sorry, this should be element, right? So we need to place it here, then we can edit it. List picker elements. Okay, it must list everything, that's all. Okay, so list picker elements, elements is going to be the Bluetooth address and names, correct? Bluetooth client address and names, that's all. Okay, so we have created the first rule that when list picker 1 before picking, it needs to list all the address and names of my Bluetooth devices which are already paired to my mobile phone. Okay, so that is what this first rule is going to give you. Okay, about the second rule, when list picker 1 after picking. Okay, after picking, so user must select any one device. So after that picking, what it should do? Okay, that is what we need to right. So we need to go to Bluetooth client, and we need to connect, right? So for the connection, what will be the rule? List picker one selection, that must be call Bluetooth client one connect address. Okay, right. So list picker one selection, we must select list picker one selection. Okay, so you can find a set list picker one. Here it is element. Instead of the element, we will change it to selection. Okay, because we are going to select, already we will select the particular Bluetooth device which we need to work with. That will be done in the first rule itself. Okay, we will pick it, right? We will press some device. Okay, so that is called as selection. So after that selection, what it should do, it will call the Bluetooth client. Okay, it will call the Bluetooth client connect address. Okay, which address it needs to connect, that will be done by list picker selection. Correct, list picker selection. So we need to find list picker selection, right? Okay, then what we have did is list picker text. We have changed the list picker text, right? Okay, so we can go to list picker one item text color, instead of that text. Okay, so for text, we can go to text and we can pick this empty text area, and Bluetooth device connected. When a Bluetooth connected, we can provide some indications. Okay, Bluetooth connected. That's all. Okay. So these two rules are okay, right? So these two things are useful for the connectivity, right? Bluetooth connectivity. After creating connectivity, what it must do? Okay, that will be based on the buttons click, right? So when button one click, that we have renamed as on, right? When on click, what it should do? When on click, it needs to send the Bluetooth client a data. Correct, it needs to send a data. Okay, so it must call Bluetooth client send text. Okay, so you can send many things. Okay, as we are work with serial communication, I'm prefer to send text as a text. Okay, so that you're in your microcontroller side, you can check for the text being received or not. Okay, right. So Bluetooth client one send text. What text it must give, that will be given by this empty box. It is going to be 1. Correct, I need to send 1. Okay, so after sending 1, what it must do, we have to change the background color of the button, right? So for that, we will go to set on background. We can go to set on okay, background color. Yes, set on background color. Okay, this color must be green in color, right? So we must set green color. Okay, then we used notifier, right? Okay, sorry, see, we have not picked the notifier component, so we need to go to user interface, notifier. Okay, notifier is also non-visible component. Coming to block, I need to click notifier. So when button one click, it should give a alert notice. Okay, alert notice of what? LED turned on. I can give us LED turned on. Okay, and the background color of this particular notice is going to be not the background color, the text color. Okay, text color is going to be in green, right? So I can take set notifier 1, instead of background color, I can select text color, that is also should be green. Okay, so on is over, right? Now we will move to off. we can simply duplicate it because the functionalities are going to be same, right? So when off is clicked, Bluetooth client 1, it should send text 0, and off background color must be red. Notifier should notify as LED turned off, right? And notifier 1 text color is going to be red. Okay, initially we will check this, then later on I will again change the rules whether while you click off, including the on button too, it must put it into the normal right initial condition. Okay, that we will do. Okay, first we will test this portion. Okay, then we will move to changing the rules, and then we will move to the hardware portion. Okay, so give me few minutes. I will connect my mobile. Okay, just a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, students. I'll make my mobile ready. Give me a few minutes. Yes. Yes. Now my mobile is ready. Okay, I think you can see parallelly, right? I will connect as a companion. Okay, so you can see the screen, right? You can see the screen, right? Okay, so when I click Bluetooth device, it is going to list me everything, correct? See here, when I press Bluetooth device, it must be You must turn on your Bluetooth before that, okay, so that it will list the devices which are already being paired. Okay, I think now it is not listing anything. Yeah, you see now these are all my devices names, right? You can find it here already. These things are paired with me, right? If I click anything, it is going to connect it. Okay, now it is not going to connect, right? Because I have see here, you can find the error, unable to connect. Okay, right. So if I press LED on, it is going to give you green in color and the notification will come pop up LED turned on. Okay, now I am not connected the Bluetooth device, that is why the error is coming. Okay, error 507 like that. Okay, when I press LED off, it is going to send you 0 to your Bluetooth device and it is going to show you the notification as LED turned off. Okay, you see now after this the colors are not being changed, right? When I press LED off, I can change the color of this first button, right? So for that I can include one rule here. When I click off, okay, when I click off, set on background color. So I can duplicate it, background color to white. That is what the initial state is, right? Okay, so when off, I can do that. Okay, uh, when off is being pressed, I can change the status of the on. Okay, so already if the device is on, it should be in the green color, right? That's not a problem for us, right? Okay, so when I press on, it is again change the color. Okay, so now you know the status of the particular device, it is being in off state. If I press on, the device is going to on, but already my LED off is again showing the red color. Okay, so that I can change this background color in my button 1 press. Okay, so I can change it to white color, so that whatever the button I'm going to press, the opposite button is going to be in the normal state or original state. Okay, right. So now our things are ready. Okay, we can check the hardwares. Okay, Ram sir.
Moon sir, wait a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Students, you people kindly type in chat whether we can write the program once again so that you people have some good idea. Yes? Or else we will go with the existing program what we have written. Yes? Kindly you people respond. Shall we go with the existing program or we can write the new one? Yes, reply me soon. Existing one. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Anthony Surya is telling existing one. Okay, fine. So I will use the existing one. No. Wait for some time.
Ram sir, APK link generate பண்ணிடவா?
இல்லை எனக்கு ஸ்கேன் பண்ற மாதிரியே கொடுங்க மோகன் சார்.
ஸ்கேன் பண்ற மாதிரி கொடுக்கவா?
ஸ்கேன் பண்ற மாதிரியே கொடுத்துருங்க. வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, ஒரே நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, நான் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே ராம் சார். ஓகே ராம்.
Okay, students, wait a moment. I'm going to connect my mobile screen. Wait for some time. First of all, I will present my screen. Wait a moment. Yes, students, can you see my screen in classroom 2?
Yes, Ram sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, is it visible in classroom 1 now?
Yes, Ram sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, one of my screen is visible now. Wait for a moment. I will make the other one also to visible. Yes, I think both the screens are visible now. Wait a moment. So one of the screen I'm going to focus the hardware. Yes, the other one I'm going to show the app. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Mohan sir, is both screens are visible now?
Yes, Ram sir.
Okay. In one of the screen, I'm going to scan the app. Wait a moment. முகுந்த் சார் இதுக்கு நீங்க லிங்க் தான் போடணும் இல்லைங்களா?
ஆமாம்மா லிங்க் தான் நான் போடணும்.
ஓகே, ஏன்னா இப்போ ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல நீங்க. ஓகே, வெயிட்
லிங்க்
பண்ணுங்க.
நான் போட்டுமா chat பாக்ஸ்ல?
கிளாஸ் ரூம்
Classroom 2. Okay. Okay, Ram sir.
also you send me a WhatsApp if it is possible, Mukunda. Otherwise, I
Okay,
have
Ram
to
sir.
type.
Okay.
Okay, students, you can see it. Wait a minute. Moon sir, have you sent?
Oh, 1 second, Ram sir. 1 second.
Okay,
Chatல
okay.
போட்டேன். வாட்ஸ்அப்ல சென்ட் பண்றேன். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட்.
Okay.
Ram sir, WhatsApp பண்ணியாச்சு sir.
Yes, Moon sir. Thank you, Moon sir. I will install it now. Yes, I am downloading the file now. You people can see it. Yes, now I'm going to open the file. Yes, I'm going to click on it. So it is prompting for me to enable the security option. Yes, I am enabling it. So this is the way you have to install if you are installing any APK files. Okay. If it is from Google Play Store, there won't be any security issue. If you are simply downloading and installing any APK files, so the steps will be like this. Yes, it is getting installed. Wait a moment. So meanwhile, I will show you the hardware setup. Yes, wait a moment. Yes, I hope you people can see. Wait a minute. Yes, the app got installed. So wait a minute, I'm going to open the app. Yes, so before that, I'm going to enable the Bluetooth. Yes, Bluetooth is already enabled. Yes, the name of the Bluetooth what I have given is BlueFun. You can able to see it. Fine. So now the same can be listed in the app also. Yes, I'm going to click on Bluetooth device. Yes, it is listing BlueFun. Yes, I'm going to click on the link. Yes, it got connected. Okay, already I told you, you can see the status of this LED. It is blinking at a very slower rate. Yes.
Also, you can check the list picker name. It is being changed to Bluetooth connected.
Yes, okay, fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on LED on. Yes, it got turned on. What happened if I press it once again? The same thing only. Fine. If I click on LED off, wait a minute, it got turned on. Yes. See, we are not using any other microcontroller. So that's why I asked you whether we can write the program once again. That's why I asked. Okay. Program in the sense regarding this controller program I have asked. Yes. Now you people can see. So it is in off condition. Here it is shown as off only. Wait a minute. Yes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on LED on. So it is getting turned on. Yes. So in the previous class, SAT taught how to build an app using the voice recognition. Yes. If you people understand that well, you can mix up these two things. Okay. I hope that is the next thing SAR is going to teach you. Yes. Through voice command also we can able to turn on the LED or turn off the LED. Yes. What we people may thought is 8051 is the older microcontroller, right? Why we people have to study these things and all. Yes, you can build many application like this. Okay, that can be done by your Arduino board or any other board. Okay, but the drawback is it is having a limited number of IO. I want to tell you one thing. This particular microcontroller lasts for a longer decade in the history of the microcontroller. Okay, so after this microcontroller, PIC microcontroller series exists. Fine. I hope you people can understand what I am saying. See, it is not a lower end like that. Okay, you can build your simple project using 8051 microcontroller also. Yes, you can do some GSM application, GPS application, even IoT project you can do with this. Fine, but all you need is you have to understand how to write the coding. If you understand that particular portion, you people able to realize what about the importance of any microcontroller. It is not depend upon the hardware configuration. Based on your requirement, you have to choose your particular microcontroller. Yes, it is working very fine. Yes. The demonstration is satisfaction for you peoples. See, that's all. You have to know how to build an application using MIT App Inventor for your Android phone. Meanwhile, you have to know how to program a microcontroller. Fine? Okay. Yes, that's it. Thank you, Mohan sir. I will stop the presentation now. I hope the
Okay, Ram
students
sir.
enjoy the demonstration. Okay, Mohan sir. You continue with the next one, what we have discussed yesterday.
Okay,
Okay,
voice
Mohan sir.
voice control to Bluetooth. Okay.
We may ask students to participate in that. We can ask more
Okay, Ram.
questions in that particular app because we taught them how to do the Bluetooth connection. Okay. And
Okay,
similarly,
okay,
we
Ram
have
sir.
already taught them how to use the voice recognizer. Both they
Mm-hmm.
understand well.
Okay,
Okay,
Ram sir.
Moon sir.
Okay.
I will stop my presentation now. You
Yes,
go
yes, Ram
ahead.
sir.
Yes. Thank you, Moon sir.
Thank you, Ram sir.
I'm going to stop my presentation. Wait a moment.
Okay, students, I hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes, Moon sir, it is getting presented now.
Yes. Okay. So what we are going to do is already we have built a voice-based turn off, device turn off and turn on system. Also now we have tested Bluetooth-based device on and off system, right? Now we are going to merge these two things together so that if I say LED turn on, okay, it should be send a text one to the Bluetooth device. Okay, so for this particular thing, if I say turn off LED off, it should send text 0 to my Bluetooth device. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new project. Okay, new project. It is voice and Bluetooth, right? Voice and Bluetooth. Okay. Now you people tell me what are all the components we need to place and what are all the rule sets we need to use. Okay. So I'm going to wait for your responses. You people can also see the screen, right? I think I have presented the full screen only. So after your information, I'm going to pick and place the components. Yes, what are all the component I must use? Speech recognizer. Okay, I will pick a speech recognizer. We will place it, no problem. Okay, later we will rearrange it. That's fine. Where I can find a speech recognizer, media, speech recognizer. Okay, I have placed a speech recognizer. Then, okay,
Bluetooth client.
speech
They are
and
saying
Bluetooth
Bluetooth client.
client. Very good. I must
Buttons,
connect.
labels.
Just a minute. Connectivity. Bluetooth client. I have picked it. Okay. Buttons and labels. Okay. Button for what? Button for what?
List picker.
List picker I need to put. Very good. List picker. So list picker I can get it from user interface. List picker. Okay, I have placed a list picker. Then is there any need for buttons here and the labels as well? Touch me and speak.
Yes, sir. Touch me
Okay,
and speak.
very good,
Okay.
very good, very good. The button can be used for that, right? So that is why I have quoted that question. Okay, I have put the button for touch me and speak. Okay. Any other thing we are in need of, Pa? Any other thing we are in need of? We can use one label so that we can find whether the device is being in on state or off state. We can change the background color, correct? Yes or no? So these are all the components we have picked already, right? If we wish, you can use notifier 2, or otherwise you can skip the notifier, no problem. Okay, right. Now I'm going to rearrange it somehow. Okay, so button 1, it is going to be useful for uh, click and talk, correct? Click and talk. Okay, click and talk. We can, and then for list picker, it is going to be as Bluetooth devices first. Bluetooth devices. Okay, it should fill the screen, right? So fill parent we can give, and click and talk is also can be filled, right? It can also be filled. And text label. Okay, this label I'm going to fill it with, and regarding the height, I'm going to change it to percent. We can go with the 10%, I think. Okay, this 10% is enough. Okay, and we can arrange it to a center. So here we can first edit this text. Okay, LED. Likewise, it is going to be like, okay, when I say LED on, it is going to be give you LED turned on, and the background color is going to be in green. Okay, we can fix in that way. Okay, right. Then what else we need to do? That's all, right? Is that enough?
Students, one more
Is that
component, sir have to add. Can you people type in chat? Yes. Any idea? See how you
yes?
people can understand. Once you have completed your speech, it should pop up the text what you are sending, right? The previous case we have done.
Okay, so we can display the content which you have talked, right? அதான் ராம் சார் மீன் பண்றீங்க.
Yes, Moon sir.
Okay,
For
so
that,
we
which
can,
component we have to choose, students? Kindly try to answer. It should get a pop-up. What message you have received from the voice? See, what about the data it is sending? Yes. Yes, any idea? The previous projects are used.
yeah, label. Okay, label to display the text. Very good.
So in the previous case, you have seen a message. Yes, LED turned on, LED turned on.
Notifier. Very good, Madish.
Yes,
It's
very good,
notifier.
Mahesh. That's what we are expecting. Thank you.
Okay, so we can pick the notifier and place it. Okay, so notifier can be programmed in your block programming site, correct? So in the notifier itself, we can try to give the voice input which you have talked, LED on, LED off, like that. Okay, right. So we have placed the components, right? Okay, if we change the background color of your list picker, you can change it to some color. Okay, and click then talk, also you can have some other color. Okay, so for LED we are going to fix the color in my voice is being given. Okay, right. So any other thing we need to use? Okay, fine. So these are all the list of components which you have picked. Okay, now we'll move to blocks. Okay, okay. Tell me the first rule which we need to use. Yes, pa. What will be the first rule? Yes, please. Okay, when button click, do call speech recognizer. Okay, Anthony Surya, this is when we need to press this particular button, right? Click and talk. Okay, before that, what I must use? We can also do one more thing, students. We can put one label here. Okay, that label is going to give you some rule set. Okay, what it is going to do is, for example, for turn for LED turn on, LED on, for LED on. Okay, click click the button and say LED on. Correct. We can provide the rule like this. Okay, so that someone uses our app, they must understand, okay, what I should do to use this particular app. Okay, it is for LED, right? And I must use one more line too. This is for first point. I can make a copy of it. Okay, and first one. Okay, I think the text is being filled. Okay, I can change the width. We'll see height. Percent, we can give 20 so that I can give one more line. Okay, so I can't able to give one more line. So what we have to do is we can adjust the height and we can use one more label for that. That's it. Okay, so we can fill the width and this is for 0.2. Okay, for LED off. Off. That's all, right? That is for the second rule. So it will be displayed like this always. Okay, so you can change the background color so that your users can see the rules clearly. Okay, so these are all just small things to improve yourself. Okay, right. So first, initially what I must do is I must use the list picker to connect the Bluetooth device. Okay, after connecting it only, I will push to click to talk. Then I can, after getting the voice from the user side, I need to send a text 1 or 0 based on the voice to my user. I mean, so to my Bluetooth device. Okay. So for the very first thing, I need to use the list picker rule. Okay. So list picker before picking. Okay. Before picking, what it should do, it should list the elements, right? It should list the elements. Set list picker elements to Bluetooth device and addresses and names. Okay. So then after picking, after the user is picked the respective Bluetooth, what it should do? It should connect, correct? It should connect. So again, I need to go to list picker. Instead of elements, what I have to do? Selection, correct? So list picker selection to Bluetooth client, call Bluetooth connect address, which is selected by the user. So list picker selection, correct? List picker. Okay, list picker selection. Okay. So after this, my list picker name can be Bluetooth connected. Item text based on the text Bluetooth connected. Okay, Bluetooth connected. Okay, right. So after this, I must go to button 1. Okay, after this, I must go to button 1. Okay, so when button 1 click, I must enable the speech recognizer, call speech recognizer, get text. That is what it must give, right? Right. So after speech recognizer getting text, what it should do? After speech recognizer getting text, what it must do? Okay. Now it must check the text which are received by the voice. So before that, I must show the user information here, right? So for that, I must use notifier, right? Okay. So we can go to notifier. Okay. Notifier. Show alert notice. Okay. Show alert notice. What alert notice it must give? The user speech recognizer result. Okay, we will see whether this thing is working or not. Okay, this is I mean, I'm doing this for the very first time. We will try. Okay, in the live itself we can test it. Okay, so in the alert notice I must send I must show what the user speaks about.
Sir.
Okay, Ram sir சொல்லுங்க.
ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இங்கே பவர் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு, நான் அந்த லேப்டாப்ல கனெக்ட் பண்றேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே ராம் சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே
Okay, then what I must do? I must check. I mean, check the content which the user speaks about. Okay, so I must use if statement. Correct? If I must check the logic whether both the things are equal or not. Okay, equal or not. Okay, what must be equal or not? If the user speech recognizer result is equal to LED on, I must check that. No. Okay, so coming to the speech recognizer result. Okay, if the speech recognizer result is equal to what it must be? LED on. It must be LED on. If it is equal to LED on, okay, then we need to call the Bluetooth client to send 1, correct? we must get the Bluetooth client. Okay, Bluetooth client send text, correct? Bluetooth client send text. Text should be 1 for on, correct? For on. Okay, then after this, the notification is going to give you the the content which you have talked. Okay, that will be done by the notifier itself. And we did one more thing, right? We have one label, that is label 1. The label 1 should be shown as LED turned on. Okay, that is also the rule, right? Label 1. Background color, we can change it to green. Sorry, color, so that LED is being turned on, we can understand. Okay, and we need to set the text as, okay, instead of this we are going to put the text column. Okay, LED turned on, LED turned on. Okay, clear? So first thing is over, right? About the second thing, okay, the same thing, you must use one more if statement. One more if statement. If the speech recognizer result is LED off, correct? LED off. Okay, so Bluetooth client must send a 0 and the background color should be red and the statement should be LED off. Notifier is going to give you whether you are talking LED on or LED off. Okay, that's not a problem, right? When okay, we have used a label, right? So after this, if LED on, then your label is going to change it in green color, and when LED off, your label is going to turn in red in color. Okay, so it is going to maintain the status. That's all. Okay, whether we have used everything? Yes. If the rules are okay. What we must do is, after getting test, we must stop the speech recognizer, right? We are not did that, right? So we must stop the speech recognizer first. Then only other things are going to be happening. So, okay. So we shall test this first in our mobile phone, okay, without connecting the Bluetooth, whether it shows the notification and the label has been changed or not. That and all we will test it. Then later point of time we will go to our hardware portion, right? Okay, so I will minimize this and I will connect. Is it clear, right? So far, any doubts? Yes, so far, any doubts? Okay. Right. So I'll make my companion ready. Okay. So you see, you got everything. For LED on, click the button and say LED on. For LED off, click the button and say LED off, right? Okay, when I click Bluetooth device, it is going to list me the number of devices which are going to connect. Okay, now it is not going to connect to anyone because I am not connected to anything, right? Then I can click and talk. Okay, click LED on. The notification comes, but the label is not being changed, right? Okay, LED off. Okay, what is the problem, students? Can you please tell me the problem? Why it is the thing is not working? It's showing the notification, right? But it is not shows the label, as well as of course it is not going to send anything to the Bluetooth also. Why so? Yeah, could we people identify what mistake we made? You can't say it is mistake. You need to observe it. What we must do for this? Case sensitive. Very good, lovely. Thank you. Thank you for your observation. Very good. So while you your label or notification shows, it shows like LED is in caps, but here we have tested our result as LED in small case. Okay. So for that, what we can do is we can go to, just a minute. We can go to text. So in the text we can see upcase. We can place it here so that we will change it to down case. Correct? Right. This is what we did yesterday, right? The things is worked fine, right? So, oh, okay. I can replace here. Okay. We will check now whether the thing is working or not. We will check now. Okay. Right. Click and talk. LED on. Yes, it is worked. Right? LED on. Okay. Right. Then again, I need to click and talk. Okay. LED off. LED off. That's it. Fine. Okay. So from our side, everything works fine. We will check whether the hardware is being working or not. Okay. We need to clearly receive this text as ones and zeros so that our hardware is going to make up with the help of this thing. Okay. So I'll check Ramsar whether he is connected or not. Ramsar. Okay. Okay, Ramsar. Okay, Ramsar. Okay. So before that, we can generate the APK. So is it clear to you people, right? Is everything okay? Yes. So with this, will you people build a complete home automation system by yourself? Can you do it? Yes. Whether it can be voice based or it can be just a button based, correct? When you click the button, it can make your device to turn on or off. If it is voice, you can use whatever it may be. Okay. So you can use it for multiple devices too, right? Yes. Do you people have the confidence now to build the system now? Yes. Thank you. I think this course is we need to select the people and need to make this course available to those selected students, not for all.
Mugun
Okay.
sir, am I audible?
Yes, Ram sir, audible, Ram sir.
Okay, kindly put the meet link of classroom 2. I will join in that.
Okay, Ram sir. First room lo போட்டுமா Ram sir?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல போட்டுங்க. இந்த மெயில் ரொம்ப நேரமா லோட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. கூகுள் கேலண்டர் லோட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay, Ram sir. Okay. Yes, maybe students selective எடுத்து பண்ணா it may be useful those who listen, I think. Okay, நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம், then we can improve upon. Okay, we don't know. Okay, we'll see.
Students in second classroom, am I audible now? Kindly reply in chat so that I can know. Sir is listening to class voices, so he may not tell properly. Yes, am I audible in classroom too? Students, kindly respond.
They
Yes,
have
okay.
typed
Thank
yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm going to present the screen again. Wait a moment. See, due to some power problem, I have disconnected from the meet. I have joined just now. Wait a minute, I will make all the arrangements. So first of all, I will present my screen. Wait a moment. Yes, both of my mobile phone connected with my PC. Okay, fine. Okay, wait a moment. I'm going to cast my mobile screen. Yes, wait a moment. Yes, now I'm going to present the entire screen. Wait a moment. Sir, can you send it as a WhatsApp message?
Yes, sir. Already I have sent it.
Okay, I will check my mobile phone. No worry. Okay, I hope my both screens are visible now. Yes, am I right? You can
Yes,
see my
sir.
mobile phone. Wait a moment. Yes. So now I'm going to download the app. I think this app takes more space. It is getting downloaded. Wait a moment. It is getting downloaded. The same size only, I think 3.3, but my internet connection is little bit slower now. Wait a moment. Because one internet connection shared in 4 devices now. That's why it is very slow. Okay, now I'm going to install this app. Wait a moment. I will stop presenting the mobile screen and present it once again. It is lagging very much. My screen is not changing. Wait a moment. Yes, now it is getting installed. So meanwhile, you can see the hardware. So the right hand side, you are seeing the hardware. So in the left hand side, you are seeing my mobile screen, the tab. Yes, now I'm going to open the app. Yes, the app got open. So now what I have to do, I have to enable the Bluetooth device. Already it is enabled. Yes, you can see here. Okay. So now I have to say LED on, correct? So I have to click on this and I have to say LED on. Before that, click on Bluetooth device. Yes, I am selecting this. Now you can see previously the LED blinking was at a very faster rate. Now you can see. Yes, it is blinking very slowly. That means it got connected properly. You people can see the hardware parallelly. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on talk. Unfortunately, it has stopped. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Mugun sir,
சொல்லுங்க ராம் சார்.
it is showing an error. Wait a moment. On the day it's supported, but today it's not working. I don't know why. Wait a minute.
ஓகே.
No activity found on handler. Wait a moment, Moon sir. I will enable the permission. Probably it might be due to that.
ஓகே ராம் சார்.
Due to apps. Application manager. What about the name of the app? Voice Bluetooth. Permission. Microphone. Okay, wait a moment. Now I will check it again. Sir, it is showing error.
Okay, Ram sir.
I don't know why it is showing like this. Wait a moment. I will try from another mobile phone. Uh, okay, wait. I will type the link and I will try it. So AI2 dot app inventor MIT followed by /b / HOKF. Wait a moment, student. It is downloading in my other mobile phone. Yes, now I am opening. So I have to add this Bluetooth device first. So I am turning on the Bluetooth now. So in this mobile phone, I am going to turn off the Bluetooth. Yes, you can see it is blinking at a very faster rate. Yes, it is asking me the password. So what password I have set is ACE 2021. Okay. Yes, now it got paired. So I'm going to open the app now. So click on Bluetooth device, selecting it. Yes, now I'm going to click on talk. LED on. Yes, there in the hardware you can see LED got turned on. LED off. Yes, is it working now, students? LED on. Yes. LED off. Yes, it is working fine. No, sir, it is working fine. If I say something else.
Okay, Ram sir.
LED turn on. Yes, it is not working because we have given an input as LED on and LED off. So we have to know which the user has to say. Yes, the user has to say which kind of command words so that the LED can be turned on or turned off. Yes, is the things are clear? Yes, LED on. Yes, LED off. That's it about the demonstration. Students, please understand one thing. Here we are demonstrating with only LED. Okay. You can turn on or off your appliances in your home, okay, by connecting a relay with a driver to the port pin, okay. But you people don't try this on your own, okay. If you are going to try, kindly call any one of us faculty, because if you are working with AC appliances, you should be taken very care, okay. If you are interested to do such things, you people can contact me or Mugun sir, okay. We will tell you how to connect your appliances in this way, fine. If you people are having Bluetooth with you, okay, and if you are having Arduino microcontroller board with you, fine, you can go ahead. You can do this project with your home appliance also. Yes, yes, that's all about the demonstration. Mugun sir,
சொல்லுங்க மேம் சார்.
yes.
Okay, students. So with this, module 3 is over. Okay.
Wait, Mugun sir, I will stop presenting.
Okay, sir. So module 3 is over, and your value-added course is also gets over. Okay.
Fine. By
So
next class, possibly I will teach you. That means tomorrow is Friday, I think so, right? Yes, tomorrow is Friday. So by the next class, you people be ready to demonstrate. Okay. At least you people can reply who are all willing to demonstrate by tomorrow class. I think 42 students responded for task 1. I mean, task from module 1. At least you people can respond. Who are all can do this? Yes. You can put your roll number so that we can consider you people will present by tomorrow. Kindly come forward. Otherwise, we have to randomly pick some students. It's not a fair thing. See, always do with interest. Don't do with compulsion. Yes, Anthony Surya is ready. Very good. Yes, Marion is ready. Very good, students. Yes. What about others? See, you no need to do anything. You just explain your program and demonstrate the output. That's it. That's enough. Yes, Lovely is ready to do it. Yes, very good. What about in classroom 2? Students, kindly come forward. Otherwise, we will point out you, okay, randomly. See, it will give some embarrassment to you people also. At the time la nammalaala panna mudiyalanu sonna adu namakku konjam sangadama irukum. Fine. So kindly you people come forward. Sajesh, can you do it? Karthikeyan, at least few people from classroom 2, you are listening to the class. I hope so. Okay. Yes, Sajesh will do. Karthikeyan will do. Okay. Mugun sir, totally 5 members. They have agreed. Okay.
okay,
You
sir.
don't need to do anything. You just open the program. You just demonstrate what are the syntax you have used. Okay. Then you simply run the program and show the output. That's enough for us. Okay. We are not expecting to do much. Fine. At least this portion you can do. Any other else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Yes, Gayatri. She is willing to take Moon sir.
Okay,
Fine. Possibly tomorrow, I will explain you at the beginning how to interface the LCD with 4 wires. See, previously, how many wires we have used for data for interfacing LCD? Yes. For interfacing LCD, previously, how many wires we have used? Yes, kindly refer and tell me. DB7 to DB0, where we have connected all the 8 lines to a 4 pin, right? So how many wires we have used? 8 wires, right? So So in the next class, what we are going to do is we are going to do it with just 4 wires. That means 4 wires for data and 3 wires for control signals. Yes, possibly we will discuss that. Okay, so that with single port you can connect an LCD. Using single port you can able to connect LCD. Fine. Only 7 wires we are going to use. Data bus, for data bus we are going to take only 4 line. For control signal we are going to take 3 line. So totally 7 lines only. Yes. Okay, Mukund sir, I will show them one solution. I have told about that UbuWorks software. I have told one solution for the students. It is not printing the character. Wait a moment. It is not printing the character. Open bracket and close bracket, right? So in this session, I will explain that. With that, we will stop today's session. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, students. Wait a minute. Yes, can you people see my screen? Yes, students. Kindly type in chat so that I can know. Yes, okay, fine. It takes some 5 to 10 minutes only. So in this class, I will tell you how to do it. Wait a minute. Yes, wait a minute. So I'm clicking on the software. So I'm clicking on run Ubuntu in OnWorks, or else you can go with Lubuntu. Anything you can open. So I am preferring Ubuntu. So click on OK. Yes, I hope you people can see my screen. I will make it still bigger. Yes, wait a moment. Wait a moment. In the settings, I can do my entire screen. Wait a minute. Image. Yes, okay. So now you people can see my entire screen. Wait a moment. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, now you see a big screen now. Yes. So now the software is loading. I mean the OS is loading. Yes, it is opening. See, now what I am going to do is I am going to use this particular mouse pointer to move over and there. But I am going to use this thing, this portion of the thing. I want to make to do left click and right click. Yes, can you people see it? You can see if I click on the right hand side, it's going. Yes, this is our right click. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this particular icon, select it. Yes, a window will open now. Wait a moment. So click on the terminal. Yes, after click on the terminal, you have to type here. Yes, here we have to type so that I am going to get the keyboard. Yes, with this keyboard I am going to type sudo apt hyphen get. Kindly note down this command, students. Sudo apt get install -y MCU 8051 IDE. That's it. Okay. So click on enter. So it is asking password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Yes, it is installing now. See, if you want to go below the screen, you can do like this. Okay, if you want, you can maximize the screen also, so that you can still see the screen very bigger. Yes, now I have to go with the second installation, that is SDCC. Yes, for that I am selecting left click and getting the keyboard. Yes, now I have to click. I am sending the up arrow so that the previous command will be listed. Yes, so now I am deleting that. Yes, so now I am going to click SDCC. So now we are going to install it. Yes, it is getting installed. Please wait. Yes, that's all. It got installed. Now I am going to use this particular line to open the software MCU 8051 IDE. Yes, click on enter. So now you will be getting a screen like this, right? So first what I am going to do is I am going to close this message. So I have to do right click on it. I have closed. So now I am going to maximize this particular screen. Yes. Okay. Fine. So now what I have to do? I have to click on project. I have to select new. Yes, select. Then here you can type the name as you wish. So for typing the name, I am going to select the keyboard. See more option. If you click on more option, you can get the keyboard. Yes. What I am going to do is LED. Simply I am typing LED. Yes, here you can choose the directory. So click on it. So for doing clicks, you have to close the keyboard. You have to use this. Yes. So now click on documents. Yes, I have opened documents. Wait a moment. I think I have to do double click. Sorry. Yes, now it open. So I'm going to click create new folder. So I'm going to give the name as demo. Get the keyboard. Click as demo. So now click on OK. Yes, that's it. Okay, so select this particular folder demo. Then you click on OK. So that's it. We have created a new project now. Here you have to click on OK finally. So this is about the name of the project LED. Project directory, it is going to be demo. Yes, now click on OK. That's it. That's it. So now what I have to do? I have to close this thing and this thing also, so that I can see my entire screen. So here we have to save the program first. So for that, click on file. Click on save as. Yes. See, now I am doing little faster when compared to previous time. Yes. So if you explore it, you can do it very fast. Okay, click on filter. Click on C. Yes, you have to give the naming for this particular source file. Wait a moment. Yes, I am going to give it as LED on. LED on. Wait a moment. LED on dot C. See, in your next semester, if you peoples are using some PC related software, means you can use this particular app. So drawbacks I have told you. Yes, every time you have to install from the beginning. That is one drawback. Okay, that we have to bear with it. Yes, so now we can type the program. Here you can see the browser. So using this particular browser, you can log into your Google Drive. So after you have logged in, you can save your works in the Google Drive. That's one option we are having. Fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the program. So for this, I need keyboard. Yes. Hash include yes in capital letter. I am typing 8089S8252. So the default library available here is 8089S8252.h. So I have included that. So in the next line, I am going to click on LED. I mean hash define. Hash define LED 3_5 random pins I am choosing. So now I am going to type the main program. So here only we got the problem in the previous session. I think so. Wait a moment. It has entered many times. Wait a moment. So LED P3_5. Yes. Now I am clicking on enter. So here we are going to write the main program. Void main. Yes. Here we got the problem, right? We cannot able to type that open bracket and close bracket. So for that, what we can do is, wait a moment. So we can go with this particular icon and you click on it. You will be having a screen like this. Yes, here you have to type. Wait a moment. You have to type. Yes, you have to type onboard screen. Yes, here you can see. Yes, onboard. So this particular thing, if you open, you no need to use your mouse. I mean your pointer. Yes, here you can see it will get open. Yes, so here what we have to do is we have to click on this shift button. Yes, I'm clicking on it. So the icon it is going to change. Wait a moment. Yes, by typing here. Yes, by clicking here, you can get the bracket here. That's it. Yes, void main we have created. So we are not going to write anything on the void main. So I'm going to next step. Yes, enter. So here I have to open the brace. Yes, I have opened. Yes, now I have to click on double enter so that in between I can type my program. Wait a moment. Yes, in between I am going to type my code. Yes, here in this line I am going to type my code. Yes. So what I'm going to do is LED on. That's it. LED. Wait a minute. LED equal to 0. That's it. That's not about my program. Right? So in the next line, what I have to type? Simply while of 1. Again for bracket, I have to go with. Wait a moment. Just typed somewhere else. Wait a moment. See, it is not that much user friendly, I agree with it, but you can make use of this particular software. Wait a moment. So you have to click after while. Yes, then I have to insert that particular thing. Yes, again I am going to click on this second shift option so that I can get the open brace. Wait for a moment. See, due to some poor internet connection, it is loading very slow. Yes, now I have got. Yes, here I am going to type while of 1. For writing a simple program, this much time we are taking due to this particular issues. Okay, if you people find out any solution like this, you can share it with us so that we can tell to your friends so they will make use of it. So this is the only solution currently we peoples are having. Okay. See, this is also for the benefit of the students who are not having laptop. Yes, that's all about our program. So now we can ready to save it and compile. Yes, is it clear up to this? So now I have to save this particular file. So click on file, save, that's it. Okay, so now we have to click on virtual hardware. Yes, we have to choose LED panel. Wait a moment. Yes, the very first thing what we should do is we should enable the Windows always on top. Yes, we can move it near to our program. Yes, we can move it here. That's it. So here I am going to use port pin number 3, right? 3.5. So I am selecting 3. Then regarding the pin, it is going to be 5th pin. Yes, I am selecting. That's it. So now we can turn on the particular hardware. So it will show you a warning. You people know it. Wait a moment. Yes, I'm going to get that particular thing. Right click on it. Click on move so that we can move somewhere. Yes, click on OK. That's it. Don't show it again. Click on OK. That's it. Okay, now it's ready to simulate the program. So click on simulator. Yes, debug this file only. Yes, it is asking. Wait a minute. I can move this somewhere. I'm clicking on OK. Actually, behind this screen, you can see OK. Yes, I'm clicking starting compiler. I think we have got a warning. Wait a minute. We'll check what about that function. Wait a minute. Okay, what error we have got? Whether we made any mistake? 8089, yes, 8252.h. Everything is correct only. Wait a moment. So here I am getting a screen. I want to close it, or else I can move this keyboard somewhere. I mean, move this LED panel somewhere. Yes, we can keep it here. That's fine. So click on OK. You can go to this error message. What about this error message it is showing? Wait a moment. Yes, warning, ISO-C 4 bits and empty source file. Okay. So 8089S8252, it's not found. Okay. So for this, what we can do is you click on this particular icon, or else you go to terminal. Wait a moment, I forgot to tell you. You go to terminal. Yes. After you gone to terminal, wait a minute. We have to install one more thing, SDCC libraries, that I have forgot. Wait a moment, we will try it now. Yes, sudo, or else we can go with up arrow. Wait a moment. So send, we are not getting it. Wait a moment. Otherwise, I will open another terminal. Yes, please wait a minute. Yes, click on this particular thing. Actually, I forgot to do that. Okay. Yes, wait a moment. I'm erasing it. I'm typing terminal so that we will be getting another terminal app. So I'm going to open it. In this we can type. I think this one is okay. Here I will type. So what we have to type is, wait a moment, sudo apt-get install -y SDCC libraries. That's the thing we have to type. That's it. Okay, fine. So I will show it the entire thing what I have typed. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. So in terminal, I can see two screen. Yes, this screen I want to show it up, or else I will maximize it. This one is hiding that previous one. Wait a moment. See this commands and all, I will tell you what are the things we have typed. Yes, I think this is the previous one window. Wait a minute, I will minimize it. We want the another window. Yes, in this terminal we are having two window. Yes, this command sudo apt-get install -y sdcc libraries. After this, you have to click on enter. Wait a moment. Yes, now you have to click on enter. Yes, it is asking the password 123456. Click on enter. I think, wait a minute, I think I had typed wrongly. 123456. Enter. Yes, I think it's not installed. Wait a moment. We will check it. In which folder we have to see, I will tell you. So click on this files. Wait a moment. It will get open. It's not opening. Wait a minute. Yes, now it's opening. So here what you have to choose is, you have to choose computer. There you can go and see what about the name of the files you will be having. Yes. So here you have to wait a minute. I will close this for a moment. Later we can take this. Okay. Here you have to click on user USR. Yes, I am clicking on USR. Wait a moment. So in this you have to go for share. Yes. Here in share you can find SDCC folder somewhere. Wait a moment. For this you people have to scroll down. Yes, I have to go till S comes, SDCC folder. Yes, up to G only it comes. Or else you right click on it. Wait a moment. You have to move it further. So this portion of the thing, I will close it now. Yes, we have to see for yes. See, as I told, it's somehow difficult for me to scroll around the folders. Wait a moment. Otherwise, we can search. Wait a minute. Here we can search it up. Yes, here you can type SDCC. Yes, here we found. What happened? Wait a minute. So we can click SDCC. SD. Wait a moment. SD. I think it is typing randomly. Wait for some time. S D. Yes, we can open this particular folder. Yes, in that you can see include. that you can see MCS 51. Yes, here you can see AT89S52. Yes, it is in small letter. That's why it shows error. Wait a moment. We'll go with the software now. Yes, I'm clicking on it. So here what I have to do is I have to type in small letter. That's the problem we got. Yes, wait a minute. See, another two minutes we will complete it off. Don't worry. See, this is for your benefit only. I'm telling. AT89S8252. I think it is typing some other character. Wait a moment. I will erase it off. Yes, that's it. So now I'm going to save this file. Click on file. Save. That's it. This save. Click on save. That's it. Okay. So now it is ready to simulate. So click on simulate. Debug this file only. Yes. Click on yes. That's it. Again, it's showing some other AT89 yes 8252. It's correct only. So now what about the error? See, previously we have get stuck with where we cannot able to print open bracket and close bracket. Now we are having different error. Wait a moment, we'll check. AT89S8252, but directory seems like that. Wait a moment, we will check. AT89 capital S. Okay, S is capital. Sorry. See, it is case sensitive. So S alone we have to change it. See, for this simple program, okay, how many things we are learning? That's very, very important. Okay, I'm clicking on this particular software icon. Wait a minute, it is getting open. So S must be capital. That's the fault we have done. Yes, I'm taking this. So capital S, small 8. That's it. So click on file. Click on save. That's it. Okay, now we can simulate it again. So we hope this time it will work without any error. Yes, click on yes. Yes, now it got compiled successfully. Fine. Yes, compilation successful. Fine. So now I have to take the LED. I have to search where about that LED panel. Yes, it is here. So I'm going to click on it. So it will come here. So now I'm going to run the program. So click on simulator. Click on run. That's it. See, at the beginning, when you people are start to work, okay, it seems to be difficult. Fine. Is it working now? Yes. This much thing we have to bear because we are using only source currently we are available. Fine. If you people come to know any other thing like this, you tell me. Fine. If you are having a OTG converter, that means that mini to USB converter, Okay, not mini, micro. USB micro to normal USB converter. You can connect mouse and you can make use of it in a good manner. Fine. Wait a minute. I will connect and show it to you how it seems. Wait a minute. I'm taking the mouse and I'm going to connect it to my mobile phone with one cable. Yes, now you can see arrow coming off. Yes, are you people are seeing? So using this particular thing, I can do it well. Yes, I can click on any icon easily. Yes, I am going to see the virtual code memory. So using this particular mouse, you can do it well. So I can easily drag items, everything. Yes, this is our code. That's it. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. Very patient. See, what I have demonstrated is for the students who are having who are not having the laptop. Yes, Moon sir, I think we can stop. Sorry for taking this much time. Thank you to everyone. Okay, see, this is the only solution we are having currently. If you people have any other solution, you can share with us.